All set now, ready to race, and the race is on. Near at hand from the outside is Gabby's Choice. Lady King on the further outside. It's near at hand, and on the outside is Gabby's Choice. Rather, Lady King 6A. And moving up on the outside is Hot Commodity, Leonora's Best, Daman Surya, Scarlet Mistral, and Just for Keeps is running on the outside. Near at hand by half a length, followed by Lady King, Leonora's Best, Hot Commodity, Just for Keeps rushing up in between runners as they race the final corner. Near at hand by a length and a half, and on the outside is Lady King, Just for Keeps down on the inside. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. Near at hand in the middle, and on the outside Lady King, Just for Keeps moving up by Darrell. It's now Just for Keeps. Second near at hand, 6A. Lady King, Close, Gabby's Choice, Hot Commodity, and Leonora's Best.